The next 9,000 days are a window of opportunity. That is the time frame we have to achieve net zero. The climate reckoning can be an incredible incentive for all of us to come together and think, design, and act differently. As designers, planners, and engineers, we have a responsibility to create new solutions that work towards a better world.
Thinking differently means also looking at existing buildings and reimagining how we can conserve natural resources by reusing and repurposing them. It means using innovative design and engineering solutions to upgrade building systems that can lead to energy and carbon savings. And if we must deconstruct a building, focusing on circular economy principles by recovering, reusing, and repurposing materials. It's also about triggering change within our material supply chain. If our design teams and clients are able to work together and specify low-carbon materials, we're able to push the industry to innovate.
Over the next 40 years, we need to build the equivalent of an entire New York City every month. How we do this will make all the difference. We can deliver more resilient, more sustainable buildings using solutions such as low-impact construction materials and cutting-edge digital design techniques. Modern methods of construction, from production and assembly systems through to additive manufacturing, can reduce the environmental toll of construction. Sidara designed Qatar's Desert Nest Pavilion, the world's tallest freestanding 3D printed concrete tower. It used parametric design, reclaimed materials, and a 3D printing process that minimized construction waste. This shows that we can build sustainably even in the harshest environments.
We now must think about designing not just sustainably, but also preemptively. For example, as designers, we're no longer looking at just past temperatures. We're now looking at future projected data and designing for resilience and future fitness. And designing stormwater drainage infrastructure, for example, is now about designing for future storm events and ensuring that our infrastructure is ready for an era of climate change. That's especially important for our clients and regions with extreme climates. It's why we were able to work with stakeholders in Doha to deliver the first horticultural exhibition ever to be held in a desert climate. And that's why we're consistently delivering smart, sustainable infrastructure.
When designing or retrofitting buildings, places, it's really important that we understand it's part of a bigger, wider ecosystem. Buildings depend on water, transportation, energy supply, and they are deeply rooted within social and community aspects. In the United States, we crafted a detailed action plan guiding Seattle towards more sustainable transportation systems. While in Australia, we are guiding the renewal of the Bayswater State Precinct in the centre of Sydney. Around the world, we are working to craft the best sustainability outcomes for our communities.
One of the most impactful ways of protecting our planet is the supply of clean energy. Here, once again, Sidara companies are providing support to an effective energy transition. In Portugal, we're working to explore how to introduce sustainable hydrogen into existing gas networks as a potential pathway towards full decarbonisation. Innovative solutions such as carbon capture technology are paving the way to decarbonising industry. At Sidara, we're supporting the UK's first low-carbon, large-scale hydrogen production hub, proving that it's possible to decarbonise even the hardest to abate sectors.
The challenges we face may be enormous. Too little time left the same old thinking, or looking at individual solutions in isolation. We need to think bigger. We need to think bolder. With commitment, breakthrough thinking, and increased collaboration, we can look towards a new era. One where buildings and infrastructure can simultaneously support our shared prosperity of growth, while also safeguarding the planet we all call home.